Hey there, bag makers. It is Melissa with Sew Yours. I thought that I would film a series of short videos to give you a little teaser or a sneak peek at the fabrics that are coming to sewyours.com in December. These are available in our Dunnellon, Florida store now, so if you are local, you can shop all of the new releases. I have brought in 39 new printed vinyls in addition to Crocs, liner text prints, and I've got a couple of disco vinyls which are really fun. They just got delivered today. So today's video we are focusing on the geometrics and plaids printed vinyls in a woven texture. So first up we have our broken shard. This is going to match with so many neutral colors like blacks and grays, camel color as well, and we've got chocolate brown. So I can see this pairing really well with our milled grain faux leathers. Here we have our cowhide patch. So this one's real fun and unique. So got a little bit of cow print going on in there. So that is another great neutral. And one of my personal favorites is our weathered blocks right here. So let's go on and look at all of our plaids. Plaids are my new obsession right now. And if you guys are loving the plaids like I like them so much, expect to see a lot more plaids over the next 6 months or so. We'll see how sales do, but I'm in love with plaid right now. So here we have a pink and a brown plaid. It has a little bit of mustard in it. Loving that one. I don't have the name offhand on that one. Here we have our denim ridge plaid, another one of my favorites, shades of blue and brown with some cream or a white color there. Here we have a plaid that has a pink and coral in it, paired with gray. And lastly, we have this really fun painted planks print. Now this matches with so many of our solid vinyls. Let me grab a couple of them just to kind of give you some inspiration. So take a look at our brand new Air Force Blue in the milled grain faux leather alongside of this. One of our strikers is going to be making an Ava, which is a Shambhala bags pattern with this combination, as well as gold hardware. I cannot wait to see that bag completed. I personally made an Ava. Love that pattern. So check out shambhalabags.com if you are interested in the Ava. And here is another stunning combination. I want to say this is our jam color of our milled grain faux leather, and that pairs so beautifully with the painted planks. That's all I got for you today. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video where I show you more of our printed vinyls.